Myself Ankita Tiwari from LG Institute of Engineering and Technology from IT ICT department. I am going to take a session from module 1, that is fundamentals of digital system. The topic that we are going to cover is complement system. Now if I am talking about complement, complement means opposite value. Of what? Of boolean. What do you mean by boolean? Boolean, we have two numbers, that is 0 and 1. So if I have taken a value that is 0, its complement value will be 1. The same thing, if I am taking a value 1, its complement value will be 0. So this is what complement is. Now complement we are using in our system, in our digital computers, basically for simplification of subtraction operation. Now we know that binary subtraction is already there, but if I want to do subtraction using addition, then we can use the complement method. So here the complement method is comprising of the two types, that is R's complement method and R minus 1's complement method. So what do you mean by R's complement method? So here with the base R comprises of base. We know 4 types of base system: binary, octal, hexadecimal and decimal. Now if I am talking about the base, then we are having another base also, that is BCD, gray codes. Then we are having 3 with the base 3, then with the base 5, with the base 6. So if I am talking about R's, then with the base R, that means tens. So if I am talking about 5, that means 5. If I am talking about 6, that means 6. So here the R's complement and its opposite, that is R minus 1, is, if I am talking about 3, then 2's complement, that is 3 minus 1. If I am talking about with the base 10, so 10 minus 1, that is 9's complement. If I am talking with the base 2, so 2 minus 1, 1's complement. So this is what complement is. Now here we'll discuss in depth R's complement and R minus 1's complement with an example. So here we'll start with the R's complement method. In R's complement, the base which is defined as R is having digits, and the R's complement of the n is defined by the formula, that is R raised to n minus n. Now the R raised to n minus n, here small n and capital N, two numbers are defined. Small n comprises of the number of digits in your question where you need to find out the complement, and capital N is your number itself that you need to complement it. Okay, so here suppose I am taking an example with the base 10. So here R is equals to 10. So we'll get the formula as the answer, that is 10 raised to n minus n. Now that is defined by, suppose your digit comprises of 6 digit. Digit means numbers. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose 6 numbers it is. So 6 digit it will be. So small n is equal to 6. So your formula will be 10 raised to 6 minus your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is defined as 1 with the 6 zeros minus your digit itself, that is in binary if it is given. If it is given in decimal, if it is given in hexadecimal, so you have to take it that part only and you have to minus and you will get the answer. So here we'll take one example of tens complement itself. Tens complement of 546,700. So 546,700, as we can see that it comprises of 6 digits. So the formula will be 10 raised to 6 minus your number that you need to complement it, that is 546,700. So 1 6 times 0 minus 546,700, you will get the answer. The same thing, second question I have taken of 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. It comprises of 5 digits. So 1 with the base 10, that means with the ratio as 5. So 10 raised to 5 minus your 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. You will get the answer as 87611. So this is what tens complement is. Now we'll take one more example with changing the base. Here we'll take the base as 2's complement. So R is equals to 2. So we'll take 2's complement of any of the number that is given. So here the formula will be defined as 2 raised to n minus capital N. N will be your number itself. So 2 raised to n. If I'm having a number of 5 number, that means 10011. So 10011 comprises of 5 digits. So 2 raised to n, 2 raised to 5. 1 5 times 0 minus your number itself, that is 10011. You'll get the answer of your 2's complement of your number. Now suppose I'm taking an example of 10110001. It comprises of 6 digits. So 6 times 0 minus your number itself, and you will get the answer if it is 6 digit. If it is a 7 digit, then 10110001, 7 digit. So 7 times 0 minus your number, and you will get the answer. This is what 2's complement is. Now the second type of complement system comprises of r minus 1s. So if I am talking about 10's base, so it's r's minus 1's complement will be 9's complement. So that is the formula defined with r raised to n minus 1 minus n. So this is the formula where we can see one example like r equal to 10. So your complement will be of r minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. So now your complement system has become of 9's complement. So now if I have taken 9's, so here that the same thing will be of 10 minus 1 whole raised to your small n, the number of digit. Suppose it's 5. So 9 times 5 minus your number. If it is 4, 9 times 4 minus your number. So here suppose it's a 9, 5 times. So here 9 times 5 minus your digit, you will get the answer. Suppose we take an example 546,700. We are taking the same example that we have taken in 10's complement. We'll get only the answer change will be, you'll get one less complement of your answer. That means we got the answer as 453,299. There it was 300, that is 453,300. Only one value more than your 9's complement. As we know, we are doing 1 minus, that means answer will be also in 1 minus form. Okay, so there is same thing we have taken of the next question also. 4, that is 876,110. That means 5 digit number. So 5 times 9 minus your number, you will get the answer. So this is what r minus 1's complement of 9's complement is. Now the next type of example or the complement that we are taking is 1's complement. So here 1's complement we will take with the base 2. So r equal to 2, r minus 1 will be 1's complement. So 2 minus 1 whole raised to n minus n will be your formula. The same thing we'll see 1 how many times, that means the times that we are given, that is 1 1 1 1 1, 5 times minus your digit, you will get the answer. The same thing, suppose I have taken an example of 10111001. So it comprises of 7 digit. The same thing, 7 times 1 minus your number, you will get the answer. The same thing, 1's complement of another number, that is 0001111, 6 times. So here 6 times 1 minus your number, and you will get the answer. So this is what 1's complement is. Now here we are ending the session with the complement with the 2's complement method, that is r's complement and r minus 1's. In r's we have seen 10's complement and 9's complement example, and in r minus 1 we have seen 2's complement, so that is 9's complement and 1's complement example. Thank you.